Hello guys, welcome back to Tronics Energy. So today here we have NE555s, three NE555s connected in three different modes. I know you know about an NE555 and the modes in which you can connect the NE555. So first here we have an NE555 in A stable mode, and as we have been talking about, I know you all know that an NE555 in A stable mode acts as an oscillator. So basically it goes on and off, on and off, on and off, and the oscillation frequency is determined by the value of these resistors and this capacitor right here. So if I want to change the oscillations, I can change the value here or put a potentiometer to tune it into the frequency in which I want, or I can just change this. So if I put a lower value capacitor like this, 10 microfarad capacitor, basically the oscillations go faster. So yeah, so that's how it operates. Next here we have an NE555 in bistable mode. So this is a bistable mode. NE555 basically has two switches, and the name suggests, bistable, it usually has two stable states, so on and off. So if I press this first switch, it's going to go on, and the switch cannot turn it off. It can only be turned off by the second switch, and the second switch cannot turn it on. So basically it has those two stable states, on and off. So on and off. So that's an NE555 in bistable mode. Right here is the final one. We have an NE555 in monostable mode. Now monostable mode usually has only one stable state. If I press it, it's going to stay on for a specified period of time and then go off. So that's the stable state in which it has only. And the amount of time at which the LED remains on is determined by the value of this capacitor. And actually there's a formula in which you can use to calculate the amount of time at which the LED turns on. So if I press it, stays on for a specified period of time, then go off. If I use a less value capacitor like the 100, which we removed from the oscillator in the first circuit, if I just connect it, then you can see the time has reduced because we have reduced the capacitance, because this first capacitor is a 470 microfarad, and this is 100 microfarad. So due to that, the period at which the LED or the output remains on is shorter than the other capacitor. So basically that's what I wanted to show today, because this is a foundation to the big series which we want to start. Here we have a DVD drive. This was for a car, so I want to use it because we have NE555s as the timers. We want to see how we can make circuits which are going to run programs to drive this drive as a CNC machine or a 3D printer machine. So we can program it to go forward for 2 seconds, back for 1 second, forward again for 3 seconds, back for 2 seconds, forward again for 4 seconds, back, and we can manipulate it to do anything we want it to do according to how we set our program. So that's what we are going to work on. But first, I wanted you to have the foundation of this. I'm going to put the full series of how to connect NE555 in those three modes, because I did it some few months ago. So you can go there in the description. I'll put a link. You can go there, watch those videos. They will help you understand how we connect these circuits on a breadboard and how they operate internally. So that's what you're going to be working on. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. So thank you thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Tronics Energy, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.